This week, a ton of rumors have been circulating about the OnePlus 12, from design to specs to some more interesting changes we weren't expecting this year, and as someone who has heavily used their devices back in 2015, I'm pretty excited to see what the new device has to offer. So let's go over the new changes real quick, but first, a word from our sponsor. Our Android coverage is brought to you by NordVPN. As a tech enthusiast, I am constantly on the internet with many different devices, and as a full-time content creator, I need to make sure my data isn't being solicited to God knows who, and that's where NordVPN comes in. On a surface level, NordVPN can encrypt your data on public Wi-Fi networks, block malware, website trackers, and phishing scams with threat protection, and of course, the best feature for those more focused on entertainment, you can access region-locked content from your favorite streaming services. Personally, I just appreciate the extra peace of mind since I frequently work at cafes or coffee shops on public Wi-Fi networks, and I just like not having to worry about it. So if you're like me and want that extra layer of digital protection, go to nordvpn.com/9to5google and download NordVPN today. Using our link in the description, you can get an exclusive offer that boils down to around $3 a month, which is not bad considering the price of everything going up these days. And again, that is nordvpn.com/9to5google for our exclusive offer. All right, and with that out of the way, let's talk about the most important change coming to the OnePlus 12 in the form of processor upgrades. It seems like this year we'll be getting the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, which is running on an 8-core, 4nm process, resulting in 30% faster CPU speeds, 25% faster GPU speeds, while also being more power efficient than last year's chip. I should also mention the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 will be capable of running generative AI models on device, similar to what's going on with the Pixel 8 Pro. To be fair, we have no information on what OnePlus plans to do with that AI processing power, if anything at all, but hopefully around the launch date we'll know a lot more. Switching over to the physical build real quick, you can expect the design to be very similar to the OnePlus 11 with some minor differences. First, the alert slider has been repositioned to the left-hand side of the device and will also have an integrated antenna for better cellular performance. And second, we have the return of the white colorway in a glossy finish, which looks awesome. And in a surprise twist, we also have a unique third color option in green. Yes, green isn't anything new with OnePlus, but the design they're using looks very similar to the limited edition Jupiter Rock design from earlier this year. And if I do pick up a OnePlus 12, I only want this new green color. Personally, I love when companies release these weird third color options, and I hope we see more manufacturers do this as time goes on. Lastly, there are a few new hardware additions to throw in that we should cover real quick. Rumor has it, OnePlus is implementing a new type of screen on the OnePlus 12 that features two main advantages. Following the industry trend, it seems the updated display will be able to reach a new peak brightness of 2600 nits, which is a bit brighter than the Pixel 8 Pro at 2400 nits. And the new screen will offer a new type of technology that will enable users to have better control over the screen while wet. In regards to the rest of the spec lineup, it's reported that the OnePlus 12 will also have an IR blaster with an integrated app similar to the OnePlus Open. We'll also be getting a new 3x periscope lens, and in an interesting turn of events, the OnePlus 12 might also be the first Android device in the US to receive Qi 2 charging certification at a maximum charging speed of 50 watts. Overall, the OnePlus 12 is definitely an iterative upgrade to say the least, but in my opinion, they're making all the right changes in the right places. Unfortunately, we'll have to wait at least until December 5th for the Chinese release, with a US launch reportedly happening in January. Either way, guys, let me know what you think of the OnePlus 12 and the limited information we have so far. Are you happy with the direction that OnePlus is moving in? Are there any features that you'd like to see? Leave a comment and let me know, but in the meantime, guys, I'm getting out of here. This has been Jordan Floyd with 9to5Google. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.